guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add a spinning wheel to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description below. That's going to bring you to this website right here. And once you're on it, simply go ahead and hover over widgets right here. And then under e-commerce, we have the spinning wheel right down here. So go ahead and click there. From here, go ahead and click on this big pink button right here, which is going to bring us down to the template builder where we can start designing our spinning wheel. Now, the first step here is to choose a template here on the left-hand side that's close to what you're looking for. So you can go ahead and scroll through all of the options here. Everything you see is fully customizable, but it is going to make your life a little bit easier if you choose a template that's close to what you're looking for, of course. For this demo, I think I'm going to go ahead with, let me see what option we have. Let me go ahead with this blue vibrant option, and from there go ahead and click on continue with this template. That's going to bring you to this page where you can go ahead and start by adding your header, your text, and aside from that you can also go ahead and choose whether the email is required to spin the wheel. So if this is for an email sign up purchase, this is great to enable. You can also go ahead and add your logo to this design if you like to by clicking the blue add button right here and click on upload file or upload from URL. And if we scroll down a little bit, we have the prices down here. From here, go ahead and edit these prices here by clicking the three small dots and click on edit, or you can delete them and add your new prices by clicking on add price and add all of the details. And as you can see, you have loads of different options here. Next up, we can go ahead and click on settings on the left-hand side. From here, you can go ahead and choose when the pop-up should appear. Right now, it's set to instantly, so when people that click onto your website, it's going to pop up immediately. But you can also do a small delay or on scroll or on exit, for example. And if people click away from the spinning wheel right now, the reopen button is enabled. So let's say I click away from it. You can also go ahead and click on this, which is really cool. I can, as a customer, go ahead and click open again to go ahead and sign up for the spinning wheel competition or whatever it is. Aside from that, you can also go ahead and add a button text and a button icon. It's not the button right here. It is the one on the side, as you can see right here. It has the small icon and it says unlock reward like it does right here. Aside from that, you can also choose the position. So right now it's set to the right, but you can go ahead and choose the position on your website right here. Next up, you can also choose what pages this will be displayed at. Right now it's set to all pages, but if you want to only display this on certain pages, go ahead and click here, and then you just need to go ahead and choose what pages. And the exact same thing goes for devices. You can go ahead and choose what devices this should be displayed on. So if you only want this to be displayed on desktop, for example, go ahead and click on desktop only. Aside from that, you can also set a schedule by clicking right here, and then you can go ahead and control when this should be displayed. Next up, we have the notifications on the left-hand side. From here, you can go ahead and send a confirmation email to anyone who signs up with their email with the price they won. And the exact same thing goes to the owner notification. If you want to enable this, go ahead and add your email down here for your business, and then it should be all set up. If you want to change anything regarding the colors of this design, go ahead and click on theme on the left-hand side. From here, you can change things like the background color, text color, accent color, and the email field arrow color. You can also go ahead and change the font if you don't want to use the default font, which is going to apply the one from the website you have. Anyways, once you're ready to add this to your Shopify website, go ahead and click on add to website for free down here. On your screen, you're going to have a new page pop up where you need to either log in or sign up to Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a page that looks like mine in just a second, like this. And this is the exact same template builder. So if you're done customizing your design, you don't actually need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on this big green publish button. That's going to bring you to this page, and like I mentioned at the start of the video, this is completely free of charge, so go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left hand side by clicking the gray select button. From there, go ahead and click on copy code right here, and now it's time to head back to our Shopify website designer. Once you're on your Shopify website, it's super easy to add this widget. Simply go ahead on the left hand side here and click on add section, locate layout right here, and right underneath we should have custom liquid. Go ahead and click there. That should open up the sidebar on the right hand side where it says liquid code, and right underneath we need to insert the code we just copied from Elfsight. You can do that by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking on paste. And as you can see, we now have a spinning wheel on our Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.